Hi. If you're here, you clicked the QR code about UAT and you've landed on me. I'm Dr. Dave Bolman. I'm the Provost of the university. I'm also a professor of the two coolest courses we teach in our graduate program. I teach the Technical Leadership course and I teach the Forecasting Technology Futures course. You're going to spend some time here learning about what makes UAT's graduate program special and interesting and why it makes me so excited. It's really interesting to think about education right now. There's probably not been any other point in history since maybe the 1940s where education changed so much. And it's because of technology and COVID, frankly. One of the really great things that happened with COVID, if you can say that in a sentence, is that everybody had to ramp up to this idea of we want our learning to be anytime, anywhere, both live with other learners, but also on my own time. If I am, listening on a podcast style in my car, if I'm at the gym, or if I'm interacting live. And COVID created all of these technology tools that let us do that in a way we'd never be able to do before. And so it's really fun as I'm working in my classrooms and with other professors. What we've been doing the last several years is knowing that we have all of these asynchronous and video technologies and remote technologies and things like that. How do we redesign the way learning works? And what's been fun about it is that as part of the conversation, students have been talking about, well, I always kind of wished I could do it that way, but we weren't able to do it before. And so what I think is great when I work with my students is they can talk to me about what they want to do, how they want to accomplish it. And because we have all these tools, we can flex to make that happen. Just like UAT across all of our programs, we were created with one big theme, and that is to be good at technology, you've got to build with technology. And so both undergraduate and graduate, all of our focus is not on theoretical learning, although that's obviously part of it, but the real focus is what can we do so that you are applying the ideas all the time. And so the way this plays out in the graduate program is students will be in every class doing projects that look exactly like you would do professionally, or literally taking things that they're doing in their current workforce jobs and applying classroom principles in real time in their master's program. Really neat thing about technology is that we're far enough along where it isn't about any one tech. It's not really about just AI or just about data science or cyber or game studies or whatever. The really good ideas always happen by bringing a couple of these things together. And obviously, when you're a learner or in a job, sometimes you're kind of siloed up and you're just kind of working in one space. In a graduate program where your classes are alongside people in different kinds of industries, it gives you this sort of 360 perspective to, mix technology together to create something kind of new and delicious, and I see this all the time. Like I've had students who are a cyber student alongside a game studies student, and suddenly they realize, I'm really interested in how we make various kinds of games more secure from the coding. And so they'll work together and they'll create something like that. And you pick any of the programs, and when the students are side by side, they can create something that is probably the kind of breakthrough new idea that becomes a startup. And it's a neat opportunity because oftentimes, again, when you're in your job, a lot of times you don't get that opportunity. You're just sort of doing what you're doing around people in a similar kind of work. Here, by being near and sharing projects with students in different areas, you can take things in new directions, which could easily be a gateway to, you have a new degree, you're operating at a different level, I want to go and break out into a different kind of industry. In UAT's curriculum, we take, at a DNA level, to heart this idea that we want the things we do in class not to be hypothetical, not to be write a paper, not to go do a survey of what other people have done. The assignments and projects that you do are going to be very, very real world. The great thing about being in technology is if you're here, you're smart. And so what tends to happen is, pick your tech skill that like coding, database, cyber, AI, whatever. And you're going to be smart, you're going to do it, and you're going to evolve. And there's a decent chance that at some point in time, your growth opportunity is going to be a project lead, which then could lead to a divisional lead or something even more strategic. The interesting thing is that all the skills that make you great as an asset developer or a social marketing person, those aren't the same skills as being a tech leader. And so if you're in our program and you go through the leadership skills curriculum, what happens is you're picking up that set of skills that you wouldn't normally get. And so when the moment comes where your technology skills get you to a place where you're recognized and you have an opportunity to move forward, now you have that different set of skills that'll make you successful in that space. And what I love about that the most is there's a lot of great opportunities for technology out there. Technologies that change the way people behave, make people's lives better, are ethical and responsible and things like that. For those to happen, you need to know how to do leadership kind of things, because that gives you the communication skills, the broader scope skills, and things like that. And so if you're someone who's great in a specific technical area and you have these other set of traits under your belt, then the chance that these really aspirational ideas you have will make it and actually make the world better, which is the point of technology, will happen. Come prepared to be surprisingly engaged, especially if you're not even near campus. You're going to be highly engaged. You're going to interact with students from many different places, all love technology. And while you're here, you are going to raise your skills to a different level in a way that feels tailored to what you want to accomplish as an individual.